Pumunta nga tayo doon sa ano. Saan kami kinasal doon? Sa area na yun. Dito kami. Ha? Ano? Doon sa area na yun. Doon sa ano, sa parang may ano doon. Magandang waterfall. Yep. Ayan guys, pupunta kami doon sa ngayon, pupunta kami doon sa venue kung saan kami kinasal ng hubby ko. Doon sa area na yan. Doon kami punta guys. Kaya for after 7 years, tingnan natin kung mababalik yung aming mga memories nung kami ay nagmamahalan pa lang. Sana all.
I don't want to go nowhere near areas we ain't supposed to be.
Huh? So, see, yan na. 7 years before. Before ba? After. Before pala yung darating pala. 7 years after we get married. Si Cortez na may extension na ang aming life. And then, what you mean? Stop talking.
Stop talking.
I talking because you so quiet. Speak up. Ayan guys.
Am I talking to your friend?
Yeah, I'm talking to my friend. And then Lian is here, ready.
He said girlfriend.
I just wanna show to Lian. Oh, they have wishing wall too, oh, Lian. Wish mo na sana magpakabait na yung mga kapaligid sa iyo. O, diba? Yan na. Guys, tan ta da da, we get married over here. Da 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 da. Da da da. Da, doon, nakita nyo yan. Doon kami kinasal dati. Dito sa area na to, oh. After 7 years talaga guys. Kaso nga lang, ang kwento ng aming married before, di ba, tornado. Pumunta kami dito, ang init. Tapos, nung naglalakad na kami doon sa baba hanggang papunta dito, parang akala mo babagyo. Puipo talaga. Ayan, yun, dinding up na yan. This son, we get married over here. Alright. Oh, kasalan mo kami, be. Be?
Yeah, Leon, we got married.
You get married over here.
We got married right here against the water.
See, mommy get married over here and daddy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Come on, we take a picture. Ayan guys, uwi na kami. Bye-bye. We get married again, yes. We get married again after 10 years.
10 years na ako,